Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Tectonic, a.k.a. Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and this one is a 4 stars Tectonic Jigsaw Sudoku. Number 7421. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? Contains the 1 and the 2. I see here only a 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, here we have a triple box. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there, so the 1 and the 2 are left. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Here we have another one. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there, so 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. And the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. But it can't be a 5 anymore. We have the 5 in the same area. So it should be a 4 then. Alright. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4. Well, here we have a quadra box. Let me check. More? No, only 1 quadra box. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Okay. My next strategy is now to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Yes. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2 here, okay. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. We have more. Let me check. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. My next shape, how about the T shape? We have the T shape upside down. Let me draw this here. The T shape, when you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Okay, but also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's the 4 or a 5. Well, can be 4 because we have a 4 in the same area, so it should be a 5 is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more T shapes in this puzzle? Yes. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. More T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No. Only one. And then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have L shape here. Okay. when you see the L shape rotated, this one is rotated, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Okay, here another L shape, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. 4 numbers, 3 and the 2. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround the 2, can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, can be here because we already have a 2 there. Alright, so the only place left for the 2 should be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 5, can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Then I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1 is connected with that box, should be so 1. This box, oh, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 was 3 and 4. 3 to 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 2 there. If you place 2 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also 2, but we already have a 2 here in this area, so not a solution to place 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. The 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. 4 numbers, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers, 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area. 4 numbers, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay. Let me see. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there and is connected with that box, should be also a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. 4 and a 5. Here also 2 numbers left. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left. 4 numbers, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and then more. That box should be a 5. Here we have a 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area from us. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, I think this box, wait, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area, from 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, let me mark those 1 and 4, and it's connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 4. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadrat box should be here. So 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Then, let me see. Need a 5 here. Okay, and now. 1, 2, 3. And I'm stuck here. I cannot believe it. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. So in this area, we have 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be so 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the 1. These are 3 boxes. So 1 and 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. This box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. So 1 box left, the final box in this area for number 1. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. Told you. Should be an easy one. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Should be a 1 star or maybe a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle need to be faster than 13 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Friday, last working day of the week. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. See you then. Bye bye for now.